This is little Mr. Sammy. And Milan wanted to play with you through the fence, and now she's ignoring you. Here she comes. Won't she play? Is she too old to play? Here, let's go see Woody. Come on, babe. Sammy. You all come here. Come on. Well, you liked him through the fence. Say he's too much. He's just a little too much. Come on, let's go see Woody. Sammy. Come on, let's go see Woody. I saw you playing with Woody a while ago. Come up here and talk to Woody. Hey, Woodrow. Come up here and talk to Sammy. Leave her alone, Sammy. She liked you through the fence, didn't she? Say, what happened? What happened? Come up here with Woody. Come here, Wood. Woody, come here. Come on, Booper. Go get in Woody's face. Come here, cutie. Come here, go talk to Woody. Let's go talk to Woody. Come on. Let's talk to Woody. Say hi, Woody. Hi, Woody. So it's a little bit shadier up here, isn't it? Hi, Woody. He's awful busy. He's awful busy, isn't he? Come on, Angel.